So it's been a while. Look, man, I've been going through it with my allergies. It's just been, I don't even know how to explain it. It's been rough. Look at that Avocado. That's hard, right? It's been rough. I'm not gonna hold you, but I'm back and in better fashion. So should I say I'm front? But never mind, that was corny, right? But as you can see right here, we got a little mango seed, you know, but we got the carcass, so you know, the pod, if you will. So right now I'm just trying to kind of like soak up all the juice. I had to sit in the water in that Emmett cup, you know, the Lego Emmett cup for a little while. And then I just thought to myself, okay, now after like maybe like an hour or two pass, now that it's got some of the juice and etc. off, now I can actually do something with it. And right here, oh yeah, the avocado, yeah. So if you check it out right here, got the little avocado. Oh, it ain't little no more. It ain't little no more, you feel me? The avocado, look at those roots. Look at those, just like a nerve system. It's just amazing, man, the way that it replicates. But man, I'm proud of all my avocado, because now I can say all because you know I got 3 now, but I'm just proud of all my avocados, all my seeds in general that are just growing up. That sounded kind of crazy, didn't it? So as I unwrap this one, this is gonna be the new one right here. So this one, you should see I did a little razzle dazzle right there. That was gonna be the new one. Later we'll do the same thing, put it into a container just like the other ones, but gotta wait for that root to show. So as far as now, we're just gonna wrap it up in that paper towel, put it back in the Ziploc. Then we're back over to the mango seed, and now I'm trying to pry it open, and I think only one time I got it with my hands, so I had to use a butter knife. You know, you want to try using a butter knife, you know? Try not to, you don't want to destroy the seed or, you know, like really dig deep, but you kind of just want to like go outside the ridges and try to make a little opening for yourself. So I was able to pry it open, you know, get that seed out, and this seed is relatively, it's smaller than I was expecting, let's say. But you know, same thing, wrap it up in a towel, dampen the towel, put it in Ziploc. But you know, I'm not, you see how I'm doing it? I'm kind of leaving air. I'm leaving room for it to be a little bit open. I don't want to suffocate it, you know what I'm saying? But that's today's video. So tune in tomorrow. We'll have another update, and take it from there.